Well, those are some big magnets.
Yeah, man.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
2 EM Audio Super Team 12s, man.
12s, okay. So you actually have to invert only.
Yeah, because the motor's actually wider than the basket.
Wow. How much sub weight is this? How much weight is this?
155 pounds.
155 per 12.
Per 12.
Wow. This hatchback has dropped down some from that weight.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Are these 7,500 RMS?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a huge magnet.
Yep. So I got about D1s wired, each one half foam on Wolfram 9 kills.
Okay. Wow. Nice. You're good. What are these amps wired to ohm-wise, you said?
Half ohm.
Half ohm each, okay.
Yep.
And is this 90 amp hours?
Yeah, 90 amp hour C-Max.
Nice. Who built the box?
Box was built by Carrie Stahl, designed by Randy Ward.
Okay. Do you know how big your cubic space is on it?
5 feet.
5 cubic feet.
Yep.
Wow. SPL test on it at all?
Not yet, no sir. Still got some tuning to do.
Okay.
And box placement.
Okay. All right, looking forward to hearing this. This is beefy sub.
Yeah,
I don't
man.
think I've seen a beefier 12 than this. That's pretty crazy.
You won't. Again, shout out Eagle Marino, EM Audio.
Yes, sir. All right. Are they 4-inch voice coils?
Yep.
All right. You're putting some power in them subs.
Yeah, so I've clamped about 11.3 on.
Over 11K? Wow. When you do a burp? Man, that's crazy.
Yep.
On music, you're keeping it clean around 7-8K probably?
Yeah, trying to, but again, you know, it's still got a little bit of tuning to do.
Yes, sir.
So.
Did a really good job. Impressive build, man. I really appreciate it. Yes, sir. What vehicle? Yes, sir. What vehicle is this for this?
This is MK4 Jetta Wagon.
Jetta Wagon. Okay.
Yep.
All right. And what was your name before demo?
Donald.
Donald. All
Yep.
right. Everybody give Donald a like. About to give us a crazy bass demo and dual 12-inch subwoofer system.
Yeah, man. Shout out me on Facebook, Donald D-Day Whitfield.
Yep, there we go.
Yeah, so I've clamped about 11.3 each one.
Over
and-
11K? Wow. When you do a burp test? Man, that's crazy.
Yep.
On music, you're keeping it clean around 7-8K
Yeah,
probably?
trying to, but again, you know, it's still got a little bit of tuning to do.
Yes, sir.
So.
Did a really good job. Impressive
Yeah, man.
build, man. I really appreciate it. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man.
What vehicle? Yes, sir. What vehicle is this for this?
This is MK4 Jetta Wagon.
Jetta Wagon. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Oh, you have a good day, man.
Appreciate you.